right? Those 3 words are not random, but they are 3 words that represent a sequence of activities that can get you to success.
We are expecting a hands-on workshop that is going to be facilitated by our CEO a bit later on during our program, which is all going to be about making sure that me and you, my friends, are able to grow our brands, sell our products, all without needing those extra technical skills. So indeed, we're excited to have you here. Shout out to you for being here.